Good morning, dear students. How are you all? This is Vijay Kumar welcoming you all in my new classroom. These days we are studying the lesson The Bond of Love, class 9, your chapter 9 Beehive. Working on this lesson, I have already given you a video on summary. Today I am here with exercise, those important questions of 2 marks and 5 marks which are frequently asked in your final exams. Before going further, I would like to say to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification of all my future videos as and when I release those videos. So question 1 is which is asked is, on the occasion Bruno ate something that should not be eaten. What happened to him on these occasions? क्या हुआ था? तो आप लिखिए, the author had put some barium carbonate in his library. It was meant to kill the rats, and one day what happened? Bruno ate some of it. He consumed. His legs got paralyzed. ये हो गया था. He had to be taken to a vet. Vet का मतलब veterinary doctor. And on another occasion क्या हुआ था? He drank a gallon of old engine oil. Luckily this time there were no ill effects. तो आप ये लिख सकते हैं इसके आंसर में. Another question which is asked from this lesson is, Bruno once got paralysis. Why? How was he treated? कैसे हुआ? तो once the author, ये एक तरह से आप देखें पहले क्वेश्चन का ही दूसरे वर्ड्स में है ये. Yes, तो once the author kept barium carbonate in his library for killing rats and Bruno ate most of it. It was a poison, so he got paralysis. ये आंसर हो गया. He was taken to a veterinary doctor. अब क्वेश्चन का पार्ट 2 है तो आंसर भी है पार्ट 2 में हम उसके दे रहे हैं. He gave Bruno 2 injections of antidote and thus it cured Bruno. ठीक है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखिए, द बेयर बिकेम अटैच्ड टू द डॉग्स to the children in the neighborhood. Which qualities of the bear are highlighted in this statement? तो आप देखिए क्या बताता है. It shows that the bear had human qualities. जो होती भी है, जो थीम भी था इस लेसन का, लव एंड अफेक्शन. लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स इट ऑल्सो नीडेड लव एंड न्यू हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू लव. वो जानते हैं. He developed friendship not only with animals but with human beings also. तो ये इसके आंसर में आप लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, Bruno was sent off to Mysore Zoo. Yes, agree. What happened to the author's wife? सेकंड पूछ लिया जाता है, what happened to Bruno after this और why? Yes, तो आप पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट का जवाब दीजिए. द ऑथर्स वाइफ फेल्ट वेरी सैड. शी वेप्ट बिटरली. शी वॉज अनईजी एंड इनकंसोलेबल. जैसा हमने आपको समरी में बताया भी था. एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज शी रिफ्यूजेज टू टेक फूड. राइट. और फिर दूसरे पार्ट का देखिए, ब्रूनो का क्या हुआ एंड वाई. ब्रूनोज कंडीशन वॉज सिमिलर. दोनों का, वहाँ भी बुरा हाल था, यहाँ भी बुरा. ही ऑल्सो रिफ्यूज फूड. दैट फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग एनिमल tamed sloth bear. He became thin and sad. Yes, both of them missed each other badly. तो ये आप इसके आंसर में लिख सकते हैं. तो एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये इस बार जरूर आएगा. Why then did he have to be sent away? अगर वो इतना लविंग एंड प्लेफुल था तो वो क्यों भेजा गया? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Bruno was really very loving and playful. आप देखिए इसके आंसर में. But he had grown very big in size. He had to be kept chained. क्योंकि वहाँ के जो उसके टेनेंट्स के बच्चे थे वो उसे डरते थे कि कहीं ये हमें कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा दे. तो इसमें लिखिए आप, द टेनेंट चिल्ड्रन वर अफ्रेड ऑफ हिम सो इट वाज डिसाइडेड टू सेंड हिम टू अ जू. राइट, ये लिखिए आप. And next question is, how was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? क्या हुआ था? Bruno was brought back from the zoo. It was decided a special island was made for him. क्या अरेंजमेंट हुए देखिए आप in the to make him comfortable. तो in the writers compound अरेंजमेंट हुए. A dry pit 7x6 की जो है was built around it. A wooden box was placed on the island for his sleep, है ना. And Bruno could sleep in this box. Straw was placed inside the box to keep him warm. So these arrangements were made for him. Why did Bruno became very special after he returned from Mysore Zoo? The author's wife wanted to make Bruno feel at home. They made a special island for him. He would sit there for hours and Bruno would sit in her lap. Thus he became special after his return from the Mysore Zoo. आप लिख सकते हैं, can the company of an animal give undiluted pleasure to a human being? ये 5 नंबर में आ जाता है. तो give some example from the story. Yes, it can give pure pleasure to a human being. The bond of love between man and animal is better than between man and man. ये कहिए आप, human beings are selfish and their love is seldom pure and selfless. Yes, we often do not respond to love given to us. On the other hand, an animal's love is pure. Like human beings, animals too need love and respond to that love. जैसे आपने स्टोरी में देखा, इस समरी में हमने आपको कराया. In this story, the author's wife loves a pet bear. He too responds to that love. She plays with him, loves him, and when the bear is sent to the zoo, she becomes inconsolable. On the other hand, the bear also does not like his separation from her. He refuses to take food in the zoo. When she goes to meet him at the zoo, he shouts with pleasure. In the end, she brings him back from that zoo, and thus we find that the company of animal gives undiluted pleasure to a human being. This is fine example. Next question देखिए, most important, love is mutual. Yes, love is mutual. Illustrate this with reference to the bond of love. Yes, love can never be one-sided. It is always mutual. It can be between man and man, between man and between animal and animal. The bond of love between the bear and writer's wife is also mutual. Both of them love each other dearly. When the bear is sent away to the zoo, both of them remain sad for each other. Both of them refuse to have food. But how happy they feel when they meet each other at the zoo after 3 months. And when it is closing time at the zoo, both of them cry bitterly. आपने देखा, हमने समरी में बताया आपको कहानी में, उस वीडियो को जरूर देख लेना. This mutual bond of love is clearly seen when the writer's wife keeps sitting for hours on the island with the bear on her lap. So children, these are important questions which can be asked this year also, 2 marks and 5 marks question. And if you have still any doubt on any question, feel free to ask me by going to comment section. I will definitely जो है आपके कमेंट पढ़कर उसका मैं ज़रूर सोल्यूशन दूंगा आपको. And let me know which topic you would like to that I should prepare video on, and keep watching my videos. And till then we meet next. Bye bye. God bless you all. Love you all. Thank you.